Guys, my other video crashed, and so I'm just gonna mix and get, and I just mix it. Oh, it's sticky. So I'm just mixing it, right? And then I'm gonna add a little activator because it's pretty sticky. Add some activator because it's very sticky. Right, and then so keep mixing. Keep mixing. So I like to chill it. I don't know. Right, I gotta. So I'm gonna do. What? You just got doing it. I'm not talking Alright, so it's still sticky. So that's my activator because it's very sticky and the activator is sticky.
Where your friend at?
I'm not cool with them no more.
Huh?
I'm not cool with them no more. They really use me for my son. And I'm not
Not
cool.
friends no more. Why?
Cause don't you know the one who always knock on the door? Cause she keep lying to people and keep saying that I call that person fat and I don't like him. That's why that little boy said that she was fat. He looked like a gorilla and so I didn't even say that.
So where you from it?
What you say?
Where you from in the bed?
No, it's inside the house. And I'm tired of her. Now she mad because I ain't want her to do no activity.
It's over shit, man.
I don't know. She in the house.
Oh, you seen her already?
Yeah.
Huh?
I didn't see her. Her sister said she was in the house. See, look, and like she just started trading, right? See, and when she meet that little girl that she house when she going in there, when she didn't meet her, she was all up in our face, want to be our friends. Right now that she meet her, it's like, bye, I'm not your friend.
Oh, all right, meet up with you.
So like, I don't even care. So I'm gonna have to keep adding activator. It's a little bit of activator inside the container. See, it's very sticky as you can see. Wait. I'm gonna get it off my hands. It actually smells pretty good. Alright, so it's a little bit of activator inside the container. And then it's up there. So it's cool. I actually like it. She can do whatever she wants with her stink ass. You ugly stink bitch. Dirty ass bitch. The person you fucking took a bath inside like a fucking week. Good job. You finally probably took your bath, or you probably just put on some different clothes. You stink nasty bitch. Person who yesterday, right? She had on some pants that she had on for like 3-4 fucking days already, right? Then she gonna go fucking switch her fucking pants. No, fuck that. Fuck her. Fucking care. Well, fuck her. Fuck her. I don't even care about her no more. Because I can go make new friends. Like, and I'm not taking her nowhere. Taking her nowhere. Fuck her. And I'm gonna get crazy motherfucker birthday. I'm gonna like post a video on my birthday. So it's pretty sticky. I'm not there for you. You should know that already. So